Hello, thank you for watching, and if you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So this little tool I'm going to make, I'm using the MIG now to get a bit more practice using it, because I always use arc, so bit of change. So an old yoke, scrap one, the joint went and it's eaten into it, so it's scrap basically. But I'm going to make myself a slide hammer puller. So I've welded a rod in there, and I've put some weld at the top because it'll be yanked at the top to sort of just shim it up. So I'm going to put a plate on there, weld a plate to this because it's cast, well, forged or cast or what it is, forged probably. For it to be stronger, to put something inside a hole, and so the weld don't actually, just hold it in place sort of thing and sort of shim it up. So I'll weld a plate onto the rod now, a good strong weld. Then I put a rod to that and maybe an old sledge head on it as a slide hammer to put it on a pinion or something, on a rake or something, and whack it back like that. Or maybe a tractor shaft won't come out or something. It's scrap anyway, so I thought it could be a handy little tool. Okay. So cut a bit of plate, rest of it, and use the MIG welder just for a change, because it fills in it's quite good on joints like that, but use the arc at the top, more penetration and stronger. So piece of inch bar, I need to find the sledgehammer head is a bit big. I need to find another hammer head or smaller sledge, put it on and weld the tab there, and you have a slide hammer, and so we'll just whack it back, and you'll pull out the pinion out of a gearbox of a machine, PTO then, or maybe a PTO shaft out of a tractor or something. This was scrap anyway, offcuts, well, rod and that offcuts, so then I cut one piece apart. Okay, thank you for watching, and goodbye from me for now then.